Hey there everybody, this is Stacking and Clacking with a new video on the channel. Today I'm doing my first unboxing. I'm very excited. I've never done this before in a personal level or on YouTube. So today I am unboxing a $50 scratch and dent grab bag from CoinHelpU. I'll put the link down in the description if I remember. I've never done anything like this before. I'm not huge into collecting individual coins. I am a silver stacker, as some of you may know, but there are some things that I would not mind adding to the collection, and just spending $50 is not a big deal to me. So I'm very excited to see what we get here. So if I don't know anything about these coins, please put in the description if you see anything that like sticks out that's like a really cool coin or anything. But this is a scratch and dent grab bag. I'm very excited for this. Oh my goodness, I've anticipated this package coming in. I ordered it not even too long ago. I'm thrilled with how fast it came in. It shipped USPS first class, which is very nice. And you guys can see there's the 50 mark on there, meaning I guess it's a 50 grab bag. And let's see what this is. I guess that's just my shipment. Yep, that's everything. Okay, let's go. Let's get right into it and see what we got. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Okay, how do I open this? Yes, finally. Oh wait, nope, I messed up again. Okay, finally. Oh, what a oh no! Okay, hold on. Boom, what a struggle. Oh my goodness. Okay, that was awful. Okay, so here we go. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's see what this baby is. Oh man, that is amazing. Oh, that is awesome. I just bought my first one of these the other day and it is in awful condition, as you guys can see from my last video. I just bought one of these. Oh, I am thrilled to have this. An 1853 seated dime, seated Liberty. That is a beauty. I am so glad to have this. What a good looking dime. Oh, what a great start. It only gets worse from here. Except, oh my goodness, it's a Trime. Oh, one of my personal favorites. Oh my goodness, what a find. Wow. Two of my favorites already, and it's only getting better. Oh my goodness, I'm trying not to look, but oh my gosh, this is exciting. Oh, this has already like made my day. Okay, this is an 1874 Trime. Very pretty okay condition. Other than like some minor things on the back, but oh my goodness, two awesome pulls already. Oh, I'm shaking a little bit. This is awesome. Oh, it's a 1908 Barber Quota. Boiba. Oh, that is a beauty too. It's you know, it's scratched up, or it's you know, it's definitely worn, but good looking quota. Oh man. 1974 Ike. Ooh. Oh wait, no. Yeah, Eisenhower dollar, right? I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't even have any of these. So that's cool to have too. Yeah. Sorry, I'm very ill knowledge on that. All right, a little generic John Quincy Adams $1 coin. Very nice, very nice. Oh, there we go. We got a nice looking Merc. What is that? That's a 1939 West Point. West Point Merc. Good looking dime. Next up, we got, it looks like it's a 1937. We got a Buffy Buffalo. Nice. 1983 San Francisco proof. That is a nice looking coin. Oh, I love it. I barely have any proofs. I think I have 2, and this is now my 3rd. Very, very exciting. Another Buffalo. Oh, Denver 1937. Good looking coin. Cool. Oh, man. I don't even know who that is. That's a Barber, right? That's a Barber nickel. Good looking 1905 Barber nickel. Very, very, very worn. Barely readable, but cool. Once again, we got another Barber nickel from 1902. Let's see. Very, very nice. Very worn. Oh, I haven't seen one of these in a while. An Indian head cent. This is a 1899, excuse me. Wow, very, very worn on the back. Can't read that very well. Once again, another Indian head penny. This one is from 1903. Cool. A 1906 Indian head penny. Once again, cool. Wow, another Indian head penny. Oh my goodness. Another 1905. Slightly less worn. Cool. And then to end it off, we got a 1946 Rosie. Oh man, what a beauty. Wow, okay. Well, I'm guessing he put his prices off a Redbook. Unfortunately, that's where the video ends because my phone was out of storage. For the next video, I will be using my DSLR, so it will be in landscape mode because my phone does not want to record in landscape, apparently. But yeah, I'm super excited. Be sure to please leave a like on the video if you guys want to see another unboxing video. I'll go ahead and order a package for tonight and get ready for it. So thank you all so much for dropping by, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Later.